Cardano value equivalent to 7.1047 rands a coin. The present cost range, 7.0216–7.1553. The earlier day close, 7.1325. The change was 0.0278, 0.39%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 7.43 rands, high 7.95, low 6.91. Cardano figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 7.03 rands, high 7.52, low 6.54. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 6.76 rands, high 7.23, low 6.29. Cardano figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 6.31 rands, high 6.75, low 5.87. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 6.52 rands, high 6.98, low 6.06. In multi-week Cardano figure on Monday, May 1, cost 6.29 rands, high 6.73, low 5.85. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 6.15 rands, high 6.58, low 5.72. Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost 6.36 rands, high 6.81, low 5.91. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 6.51 rands, high 6.97, low 6.05. Cardano figure on Friday, May 5, cost 6.96 rands, high 7.45, low 6.47. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 6.99 rands, high 7.48, low 6.50. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost 7.15 rands, high 7.65, low 6.65. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 7.34 rands, high 7.85, low 6.83. Cardano estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost 7.46 rands, high 7.98, low 6.94. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 7.53 rands, high 8.06, low 7.00. In 3 weeks Cardano estimate on Monday, May 15, cost 7.51 rands, high 8.04, low 6.98. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 7.22 rands, high 7.73, low 6.71. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost 7.25 rands, high 7.76, low 6.74. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost 7.33 rands, high 7.84, low 6.82. Cardano estimate on Friday, May 19, cost 7.39 rands, high 7.91, low 6.87. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 7.22 rands, high 7.73, low 6.71. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost 7.06 rands, high 7.55, low 6.57. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 7.09 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.57, while low cost 5.87. They found the middle value of cost 7.01. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.52, change for April 8.0%. Cardano gauge for May 2023. At the outset cost at 6.52 rands, excessive cost 8.06, while low cost 5.52. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.51. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.94, change for May 8.9%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset cost at 5.94 rands, excessive cost 7.01, while low cost 5.94. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.36. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.55, change for June 10.3%. Cardano conjecture for July 2023. At the outset cost at 6.55 rands, excessive cost 6.67, while low cost 5.79. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.31. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.23, change for July 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 6.23 rands, excessive cost 7.74, while low cost 6.23. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.86. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.23. Change for August 16.1%. Cardano figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 7.23 rands. Excessive cost 7.23, while low cost 5.65. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.55. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.07. Change for September 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 6.07 rands. Excessive cost 6.07, while low cost 4.74. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.50. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.10. Change for October 16.0%. Cardano figure for November 2023. Initially cost at 5.10 rands. Excessive cost 5.15, while low cost 4.47. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.88. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.81. Change for November 5.7%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 4.81 rands. Excessive cost 5.33, while low cost 4.63. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.94. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.98. Change for December 3.5%. Cardano conjecture for January 2024. Before all else cost at 4.98 rands. Excessive cost 4.98, while low cost 4.12. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.63. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.43. Change for January 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 4.43 rands. Excessive cost 5.44, while low cost 4.43. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.85. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.08. Change for February 14.7%. Cardano conjecture for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 5.08 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.08, while low cost 3.97. They found the middle value of cost 4.60. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.27. Change for spring 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 4.27 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.27, while low cost 3.34. They found the middle value of cost 3.87. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.59. Change for April 15.9%. ZAR to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 0.1408 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1398 minus 0.1424. The earlier days nearby 0.1402. Change for now plus 0.0006 plus 0.43%. Rand to Cardano figure on Monday, April 24, cost 0.135 coins, high 0.145, low 0.126. ZAR to ADA expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.142 coins, high 0.153, low 0.133. Rand to Cardano figure on